this tutorial, we're going to show you how to do a Loki half-face makeup transformation. First step is to glue down our brows. We want our brows to be glued down so we can be able to cover them with some foundation and some powder. For a blending brush, we're just going to blend everything together. We're just doing a little measuring. We want to measure our brows to make sure that we get the accurate brow of Loki. We want to measure our nose to make sure that our nose is similar to Loki's and Tom Hiddleston's, and then do a side by side to make sure it's accurate. Blending is very important, but you don't want to blend too much that your actual nose shape starts appearing, because you want the illusion of a different nose. It's time to do some contouring of the eyes. Time to contour the face shape. We want our face shape to be similar to Loki's and very chiseled and defined. Now I'm going to contour our lips because Loki's lips are very tiny and very small, so we want to do the same thing to ours. We're going to add some details, and this is our last part, and this is what it should look like.